Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then my name is Destiny. And you guys, I'm always doing stuff on my own. Like, I'm always alone. I don't have no friends in Houston, and I like being on my own, so it's okay. But but I just wanted to like make this a series and just show you guys the shit that I do like on my own to entertain myself and to still have fun, even though like I don't really be having people around me. Because if you just a loner ass bitch, like I'm like a popular fucking loner. Like hella people know me, but I like being alone. So if you're like me, then welcome to episode 1, okay? But today I'm going to the Colors Factory or whatever. I love going to museums, y'all. Like literally I love it. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and then I'm gonna find somewhere like to eat while I'm there or whatever, because I don't know what I want to eat, but I want something good. And yeah, because I haven't eaten yet, so hopefully I don't be cranky, but I don't think so. I'm like in a really good mood. But anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I'm gonna just make this a series like I said. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let me show you. I'm on my phone right now, but I do have my camera in my bag, so I'm gonna switch to my camera like when we actually get there or whatever. So it's gonna be a little hard to show y'all my outfit, but I have this like white top on. I got it from Forever 21, and then I think I got these pants from Forever 21 too. They're like brown pants, and they have like slits at the bottom. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit better or whatever, but make sure you follow my TikTok and my Instagram, because I'm, you know, you can see a little better on there. And then I just have these Gucci slides on, and then I'm gonna just wear this like cream white purse or whatever. And yeah, so I'm about to finish like putting the stuff in my purse. Oh, and this is the scent that I have on. And then I just have these bangles on. And yeah, but that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'm about to finish switching my purses over or whatever, and we're gonna get ready to go. We're gonna have a good day. Baby, let's just take our chance. Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. Leave everybody, because if I go first, I'm gonna take a picture. Oh wait, I gotta get my QR code. It's only me. All right, so I can either do it with you, or I can turn it on. You can turn it on for me. And the camera is this way, but everything happens this way, so it's up to you which way you face. It should be when it's scanned. Oh, what happened? Pull it out. There you go. Okay. Is it a video? No, it's multiple videos. Oh.
Summertime love, I'm not looking for someone to pass the season. I don't need just anyone, but you intrigue me for some reason. You seem oh so real, and I don't wanna taste it if I can't have it. I could
Oh, this one smells good. Where do we go from here? Is this the end? Oh, that way. I guess I came up wrong. Okay, I get it. Maybe it's the end. Ew. Oh, this one smells really good. I like this. I'll need this in a candle. I like that. I like that one too. Smells like grass. Too hot to handle. It's like a red hot. First kiss. This one. Oh, I like this one. Homesick from school. Oh, this smells so good.
But do it really matter? You make the script look backwards. Good gymnastics. I just want to be a good companion. I'm just saying, who you really got? Please don't big 'em up. Cause I can take a spot. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome in.
Just me.
Oh, just you? Okay, so welcome on in. And here is a 2-person activity. If you want to do it, you're more than welcome to. I can get one of my coworkers to do it with you. Alright, let's go. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Do you have a worksheet with you?
What?
Your worksheet that you
Oh, from
just
over
worked
there?
on?
Yeah, I skipped it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're welcome to grab 2 pieces of candy and then head on to the next room.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. I'm out of breath.
Just in case you drop your phone, so we can call and search for it. Use the staircase on the left and right side. Do not climb over the ball.
Hi.
You're very familiar.
Really?
Yeah, you probably seen you somewhere around Houston.
Probably not. I don't go anywhere. I don't think I like this. I'm good. I can't even walk in this. I don't like the barefoot shit. I can't get into it. It's cute though. Real cute. Real cute. Real cute. No.
Script flip backwards, good gymnastics. I just wanna be a good companion. I'm just saying, who you really got? Please don't big 'em up, cause I could take a spot. Yeah.
Alright, you guys. So I just got my food. Y'all know I like to sit outside, so I'm sitting outside. And I got this drink because they didn't have refreshers. That's what I wanted, but she said they don't sell them no more. So let me show y'all my food. This is what it looks like. You can't even see. I got a whole bunch of stuff in it, literally. So many things. And of course, my camera died right before I left. So that's my life, always. I don't know what it is with me and my camera lately, but like we just have not been on the same page. at all. But let's try it. You guys, if y'all like it, y'all have to get my order. I'm gonna show my mama. She loves Coke. She be like, girl, let me show you what I got. Oh, dirty. The only thing I would not do is get salt next time. Because it's a little too salty. I do not like salty foods. I need some wine, so that's why I'm going in to the Total Wine. It's like right there. But I hope y'all can hear me. I think y'all can though. Let's try this drink. It's a passion fruit drink. Lilikoi. Made in Hawaii. I'm gonna go to Hawaii. That was good as hell. No way that drink should be that good. It's so funny because it's this tweet that just popped up in my email. And somebody said, I'm scared to move in with a dude. And bro, I was literally just thinking that, like, if I moved in with a dude, like, it would be because he has a place and I have a place, and we just kind of like be at each other's places a lot. Like, so basically we got two places, and he can pay my rent if he wants to, but I'll pay my own rent and he pays rent. Like, cause I just can't, like, I be seeing girls on TikTok getting put out. They talk about leaving the apartment. Me and my boyfriend got together because we broke up. Like, no. I'm feeling right where the fuck I am. Then I be seeing people like still having to live with the person because the lease not up. No, and no. I'm gonna see y'all in the wine store. Y'all, look at this mimosa. It looks like it has sand in it. I'm gonna get it. But we're gonna try it when I get home. And then I also got this cotton candy wine. Never seen that before. So yeah, we're gonna see what it's talking about. I've never actually been in six. So it's gonna be gross. So I'm back at the house and I just want to show y'all what I had got from the Color Factory. I had got this bag and it has like things that are black on it. It says night, burnt toast, tuxedo, licorice, Sharpie, clarinet, spider, piano keys, raven, and suit. It's giving Black Beach. Anyway, then I got this black mug that says Color Factory because y'all know I drink tea like every day. So yeah, but so for the rest of my day, I'm just gonna go and ship out my candle orders. Make sure you guys shop my Attention candles. I promise you guys they're life-changing and they smell so good. And they're small, but they last so long. And now my big candles are now on sale as well. And they last literally months on months on months. So make sure you guys go shop. And I appreciate everybody who has shopped with me already. I really, really appreciate you guys. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode of the Solo Chronicles. I'm always with myself, so y'all always get content, like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bye.